Most dreams don't die from lack of talent. They die from fear. Hill names 6 basic fears that quietly run our lives. Today we'll identify the 6 fears and build a plan to master them so your decisions and persistence aren't sabotaged. Let's explore the 6 fears that often hold us back from our true potential. First, the fear of poverty. What if I can't afford failure? This leads to playing small. Then criticism. What will people say? Which paralyzes creativity. And finally, ill health. Worry that drains actual health and focus. Next, the fear of loss of love, leading to people-pleasing over purpose. Old age, it's too late stories that kill attempts. And death, an existential fear that shrinks risk-taking. Hill's point is crucial. Fear thrives in indecision and doubt. Decision and action starve it, allowing us to move forward. A powerful reframe. Fear is data, not a dictator. Ask, what is this fear trying to protect? What specific risk can I mitigate? Replace what if it fails with what must be true to make it work. Now, let's dive into 5 powerful tools you can use to master these fears and reclaim your agency. First, definiteness of purpose. Write a vivid, measurable aim. Clarity quiets generalized anxiety. Second, decision plus micro commitments. Make the decision now. Commit to a 24-hour next step. Send the email, publish the draft. Momentum reduces fear's volume. Third, auto-suggestion for courage. Script. I choose bold, informed action. I grow through feedback. Each step builds strength. Read AM/PM with emotion. Fourth, exposure in graduated steps. Identify the smallest scary action and do it daily. Post 1 clip, pitch 1 partner, ask 1 client. Desensitization beats rumination. Fifth, the mastermind shield. Share the goal and the fear with your mastermind. Ask for data, reframes, and accountability. Borrow their belief until yours is solid. To make this even more practical, here are mini playbooks tailored to each specific fear. For poverty, build a 3-month runway. Set weekly revenue targets. For criticism, define your ideal audience. Measure by service, not universal approval. For ill health, non-negotiables, sleep, movement, hydration. Protect peak hours. For loss of love, values alignment talk with key relationships. Set boundaries. For old age, reframe to advantage. Compounding expertise, trust, networks. For death, purpose practice, serve daily. Legacy and asterisk today's actions. Comment fearless and tell me which fear shows up most. I'll reply with a 3-step plan you can use this week to conquer it.